Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh Imran Hussein, and welcome to other interview between Albania and Malaysia.
Wa alaikum assalam, Imam Abba. I am so happy to have this opportunity to have an interview with Albania.
Jazakallah khair.
If I cannot myself be there in Albania, Alhamdulillah, I get a chance to speak with you.
Okay. Let me make the first question to you, Sheikh. Inshallah, Sheikh, can you explain something and what do you think for the future of Europe? Because Albania is in Europe. And what do you think about the paper euro value based in Islam? Your opinion?
We have to qualify our answer by pointing to the evidence, which is very great and increasing constantly, that we are now living in Akhirul Zaman, and therefore our views concerning the future of Europe have to be conditioned by our recognition of the fact that we are living in Akhirul Zaman. There are those scholars of Islam, and they are my brothers, who are critical of me because of my view expressed in my book entitled An Islamic View of Gog and Magog in the Modern World, that we are living now in the age of Ya'juj and Ma'juj, of Gog and Magog. There is an abundance of evidence to support me. But they hold on to one solitary hadith, only one solitary hadith, which they misunderstand. There is also an abundance of evidence that we are now living in the age of Dajjal, and that Dajjal is the mastermind who has brought the modern age into being. And they differ with me on that as well. But I'm not going to take them on. No, I am going to move on and leave them where they are, and leave their criticisms as well where they are. And let the people decide who is right and who is wrong. We are now living, Imam, on the brink of momentous change in the world. Universal evil change in the world. The world is about to change like it has never changed before in history. And we must go to the Quran, which says that it is Tibyanan likulli shay, to understand where we are at this moment in history and what is it that lies ahead. Among the things that now confront us, Imam, is the imminent likelihood. I don't know how much time we have left. I cannot say. But the imminent likelihood that an attack on Iran is eventually going to provoke nuclear war. And the nuclear war will pit the Anglo-American Zionist alliance on one side with Russia and her allies on the other. If nuclear war takes place, it is North America, Britain and Europe in particular which are going to be devastated, and there will be a substantial reduction in population in North America and Europe. As I said before, Imam, I do not know when this is going to occur. But my studies of Islamic eschatology indicate to me that this is what is going to happen. And then an attack on Iran, which can come any day now, is going to provoke that nuclear warfare eventually between these two giants. I call them Gog and Magog.